Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Sumi School. This is Muhammad Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher in mathematics, National Ideal English Versing School morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class nursery. Our today's topic is write in words. It's part 5. That means in the previous classes we have learned from 1 to 20. We will learn today from 21 to 30 in part 5. Okay, your lecture number is 10. You have a homework. Your homework number is also 10. Now the question is written down here already, is write in words from 21 to 30. My dear students, don't be worried, there are 10 numbers to write down in word today, but these 10 words are very easy. From 21 to 30 we should write down in words. To write down in words in between 21 to 30 we need to memorize only 2 words. That means the words 20, you have already memorized this one, and also the word 30. This spelling is new today. 30. Okay, you have already learned the spelling of 20. Now you can write down from 21 to 29 easily, because you have already learned the spelling from 1 to 9. The words from 1 to 9 you have already well known. Now 21, to write down 21 we should write down 20, this is spelling, and 1, the spelling of 1 is already known, is ON1. Like this way, the spelling of 22 you need to write down. To write down 22 you have to write down 20 at first, then 2, it's TW2, you already know that one also. Like this way you should write down all the words. Now look at the board, its first number is 21, so you should write down 21 in the first column, first row in this box. It's 20, TWENTY, 20, and 1, it's ONE1, 21. In this 21 you already know these words is 1, and this word is already learned in the previous class, is 20. So these two are well known to you, and 21 you can write down easily. After 21 we have the number 22. The spelling of 20, you know that it's 20, TWENTY, 20. Then 2, the spelling of 2 is TWO2, TWO2. Like this way you should write down all the words today. After that 22 we will have 23. The spelling of 23 is TWENTY, 20. Then 3, the spelling of 3 is THREE, 3, THREE, 3, 23. After 23 we have 24. The spelling of 20 is TWENTY, 20, and 4 is FOUR, 24. After 24 we have 25. The spelling of 20 is TWENTY, 20. Then 5, it's FIVE, 5, 25. We have no space in the right side, so you should come in the left side again and go to the next row. It's 26. After 25 the number comes, which is 26. The spelling of 26 is TWENTY, 20, and 6, it's SIX, 6, 26. After 26 we have the number 27. It's 27, TWENTY, 20, then 7, SEVEN, 7, 27. After 27 the number comes, which is 28. The spelling of 20 is TWENTY, 20, then 8, it's EIGHT, 28. After 28 the number comes, which is 29. 29 is TWENTY, 20, TWENTY, 20, and the spelling of 9 is NINE, 9. And after 29 we have our last number, which is 30. The spelling of 30 is THIRTY, 30. I repeat again, it's THIRTY, 30. It's THIRTY, 30. So dear students, we need to memorize these spelling very carefully, and we need to memorize this 20 spelling very carefully. If we memorize these two, we can write down from 21 to 30 easily, because there is only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, nothing else. Now I am going to spell this one again from 21 to 30. It's TWENTY, 20 ONE, 21. Then 22, it's TWENTY, 20 TWO2, 22. Then 23 is TWENTY, 20 THREE3, 23. After that it's 24, it's TWENTY, 20 FOUR4, 24. Then we have 25, it's TWENTY, 20 FIVE5, 25. After 25 the number comes which is 26, it's TWENTY, 20 SIX6, 26. Then it comes 27, it's TWENTY, 20 SEVEN7, 27. After 27 the number comes which is 28, it's TWENTY, 20 EIGHT8. Then the number is 29, is TWENTY, 20 NINE9, 29. And the last words for today is 30. The spelling of 30 is THIRTY, 30. My dear students, I hope you have understood how to write down. And you have a homework. Your homework number is 10 and the homework is same. This means that your HW is this one from 21 to 30. You must write down in your assigned HW copy, and you please mention the HW number 10 in the left top corner of your copy. You can submit all of your HWs in every Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM. See you again inshallah in the next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.